Oh my, I'm not be here. I'm the hot cake for Lagos. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday. Saturday is supposed to be my resting day. I don't joke on my Saturdays because I always rest on Saturday. But lately I have been very busy during the week, so it takes most of my time. Um, I even do my cooking on on weekdays. I barely cook on Saturdays. But today's video, I'm going to be cooking. So it's a cooking video. I'm going to be cooking today. Yesterday, I went to the market to get my monthly food stuff, and I went to get my monthly food stuff. I was supposed to vlog that yesterday, but the weather was bad. It rained yesterday seriously, so I couldn't achieve anything yesterday. When I got back home, I was so tired, I couldn't do anything. So today I'm going to be cooking. I'm going to be cooking like 3 meals, at least that will last us for 2 weeks as a family or more, but not up to, it may not be up to 3 weeks, but 2 weeks plus. So I'm just going to be doing that today. I'll be doing afang soup. I'll be doing ogbono soup and stew. I'll be doing stew today. Today is going to be a very, very busy day for me. Yes, so let's get right into the video. I'm also going to be doing, I forgot this particular food I want to cook. Like I haven't eaten this food in like let's say a year plus. So, but I'm going to do it today. It's garden egg sauce. I don't know if you guys have eaten that food before. Garden egg sauce, very yummy. I'm going to be cooking that food today. And yeah, let's get right into the video. Let's get cooking. Let me show you the things I got yesterday. I even got yam yesterday. Oh my, yam no be here. Yam na hot cake for Lagos. If you're in Lagos, how much do you buy your yam? Like, because yesterday I got about 5 pieces of yam. I got them for 10K. 10K, although they are big. I know that if I had gone to my 12 as usual, because I normally get my food stuff from my 12. If I had gone to my 12 yesterday, I would have gotten that yam for at least 8.5. They're about 8,085 or 7.5. Well, but because it's my area, all these are aboki that carry yam, I got it for 10,000. And they were fair because the yam is very big. Like, it's very big. So because I was getting more, they had to sell it, they had to reduce the price. Yeah, so those are part of the things I got yesterday. And yeah, so let's get into the cooking. And please, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, please give it a thumbs up. It helps YouTube to recommend my videos, and also share if you can, and subscribe. Leave a comment below. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming by. Thank you for supporting me at all time, and thank you. So guys, these are the things I am doing. This is the tomatoes. I haven't boiled it yet. I will start doing that now. And this is the fish I'm going to be using also. I'm using this fish. This fish is called, I think it's Titus, not Titus, like panla fish. I'm going to be using Titus, and these are my meat. This meat is I'm going to use this meat both for the afang soup and the ogbono I'm going to be doing, and I'm going to add a little bit of this fish to the ogbono too. So I won't be doing so much of this meat in the ogbono because I'll be adding fish into it. Yes, this is my pomo. This is comfy. I'm going to leave the English name on my screen so you can see. This is, my language is called comfy. Yes, it's a periwinkle, but the bigger kind of periwinkle. Oh my god, I forgot to bring out the periwinkle. I'm going to show you guys periwinkle. And this is my pomo. This is the afang I'm going to be cooking, and this is my ogbono. Guys, yesterday I didn't cook, so I kept the food, the ogbono, inside the fridge, and now see the way it is. Like, I don't know if it's going to give me the effect, the ogbono effect. I don't know. I hope so. I hope so. And yeah, this is my water leaf. This is my uziza leaf. I don't know if it's called uziza leaf. This is my scent leaf. So this one is for the afang soup. This is for the ogbono, and this is for the garden egg sauce I'm going to be using. I'm going to also be using this one for the garden egg sauce. And yes, this is my periwinkle. I cut them yesterday and I stored it in the fridge. So guys, this is the yam I was talking about. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. How much do you get your yam in your area? We've already eaten one tuber, so it's left with four, just five. We've eaten one tuber, remaining four. So let me know how much you get your yam in the comment section. So that's basically all, guys. Let's get into the cooking. So guys, this is how our stew is doing, looking so yummy and inviting. So the next thing I'll be cooking right now is afang soup. And guys, afang soup is one dish that you will find commonly in many homes in either Akwa Ibom state or Akwa Ibom and Cross River states of Nigeria. Like, they can't go wrong without having this soup in their fridge. And this is my best soup. I love afang soup. Like, I love eating afang soup. I love the taste. I love the aroma. It's something that I cannot do without. And what is afang soup without periwinkle? Like, you can't eat afang without periwinkle. I don't know, some people may not, but for me, I love eating my afang soup with periwinkle because of the way, just play around with the soup. I just see it like that. So yes, guys, let's get right into this cooking. So guys, we are done cooking and this girl is exhausted. I'm so tired. I wasn't able to do the garden egg sauce. I'll do that tomorrow. And if it's possible I do a video alongside, I will do a video and show you guys. Yes, these are the meals for the next 2 weeks. At least this will last for next Tuesday before I do another one. Thank you guys for watching. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe, like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.